In this video, we explore the coolest powerlift recliners of 2026, selected just for you. We've evaluated performance, ease of use, and durability. Find links in the description and first comment. Let's take a closer look at each, starting with our first standout product. First up is the Power Recliner or Lift Chair Power Supply Replacement Transformer Kit. This kit is essential for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their recliner's power supply. This model stands out with its robust build and easy installation process, making it a smart choice for DIY enthusiasts. Designed to offer reliable power, it ensures your recliner operates smoothly, enhancing your relaxation experience. The kit includes all necessary components, saving you from the hassle of purchasing additional parts. Its value for money makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers seeking quality without a hefty price tag. Overall, this transformer kit is perfect for those who want a dependable power solution for their lift chairs. Our second product is the Hamleaf Oaken Power Recliner SP2B Transformer with Backup. This powerhouse is designed to offer reliability and efficiency. The inclusion of a backup power option ensures you have uninterrupted service even during power outages. Its sleek design and compact form make it easy to integrate into any recliner setup without fuss. This model is particularly appreciated for its durability, promising longevity, and reduced maintenance costs. Perfect for those who prioritize uninterrupted comfort and performance, this transformer is a must-have. With its balance of features and affordability, it stands as a strong contender in the lift chair accessory market. Third on our list is the 2-button, 5-pin lift chair or power recliner hand control. This control unit offers simplicity and ease of use. With its intuitive design, users can effortlessly adjust their recliners with just a click. The ergonomic layout of buttons ensures comfort and ease, even for those with limited dexterity. This hand control is an ideal choice for seniors or anyone seeking straightforward recliner operation. Built for compatibility, it fits a range of recliner models, making it a versatile choice. Its combination of functionality and user-friendly design makes it a top pick for anyone upgrading their recliner controls. In fourth place is the Oaken Power Recliner SP2B Transformer with Backup. Known for its durability, this transformer promises long-lasting service. The backup feature provides peace of mind, ensuring your recliner remains operational at all times. Its compact design allows for easy installation and seamless integration into any setup. This model is favored for its efficiency, delivering consistent power supply with minimal energy consumption. Ideal for those looking for a reliable and sustainable power solution for their lift chairs. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone needing a dependable transformer with additional backup capabilities. Finally, we have the Carex Uplift Premium Seat Assist. This innovative product provides up to 70% lift assistance for users up to 230 pounds. Its memory foam construction ensures comfort while providing the necessary support for easy standing. Perfect for those with mobility challenges, it transforms chairs into assistive devices without any complex setup. The design is both practical and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any home decor. With no need for batteries or electricity, it's an eco-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Its combination of support and comfort makes it a truly game-changing addition to any household needing mobility aids.